Good morning, children. Once again, you are most welcome here. First of all, I would request you that since Corona is very dangerous for children, so please always keep your mask with you and don't go outside of your house. Okay? And now, we let us start our today's revision part. Today we are going to revise tenses. टेंसेस क्या होते हैं? हिंदी में आपने पढ़े होंगे काल, और तीन काल होते हैं, वर्तमान, भूत और भविष्य. एंड इन इंग्लिश दे आर नोन एज प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर. प्रेजेंट मीन्स वर्तमान काल जो चल रहा है, वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग नाउ दैट इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. पास्ट टेंस व्हाट हैपन जो हो चुका, जिसके साथ में आमतौर पर गया और था शब्द यूज हो जाता है. जैसे वो एक राजा था, मैं एक टीचर हूँ, आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं. दीज आर प्रेजेंट टेंसेस. लेकिन अगर हम ये कहें कि वो एक लड़का था, राम एक महान राजा थे, तो ये हमारी पास्ट टेंस हो जाता है, बिकॉज पास्ट टेंस. एंड देन फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर क्या होता है? व्हाट इज टू कम, जो आने वाला है, दैट इज फ्यूचर. व्हाट आर योर प्लान, जो प्लान्स होते हैं वो फ्यूचर के लिए, जैसे कि आई शैल गो टू दिल्ली, टुमारो देयर विल बी कोरोना कर्फ्यू. So all these things they are in future tense. Now we know there are three tenses, three main tenses. Main tenses three हैं: present, past and future. Okay? Present shows जो हो रहा है, past shows जो कल हुआ था, and future shows जो आगे होगा, means जो अभी नहीं हुआ है. Is that clear to all of you? Now अभी मैंने कहा I told there are three main tenses. तीन मेन टेंस है. इसका मतलब टेंस के कुछ पार्ट भी हैं. यस, ईच टेंस प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर. दिस टेंस हैज फोर पार्ट्स. दिस मीन्स प्रेजेंट सिंपल, प्रेजेंट सिंपल, पास्ट सिंपल एंड फ्यूचर सिंपल. प्रेजेंट सिंपल, पास्ट सिंपल, फ्यूचर सिंपल. देन कंटिन्यूअस, again present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. I have made it a shortcut to learn all the tenses part. You should read it. Present simple, past simple, future simple, then present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. After that perfect. Perfect, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense and future perfect tense. And then perfect continuous. Then you should read it: present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. In this way, each tense has four parts. Each tense has four parts. Now shall read: present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Then past simple, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Then future simple, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. In this way, we have three main tenses and in total we have 12 tenses. To say each tense has four parts. Okay? Is that clear to all of you? Now let us know which tense shows what. Present simple tense. I did this and we'll take it individually. Present simple shows universal truth. Present habits. Okay? Universal truth and present habits are shown by past simple, present simple, past simple, past simple, that will show your past habits and what happened in the past as a habit. Future simple, that shows a simple planning such as you will go there, I shall help you. Okay? Now, after this, we have to know which tense. In present simple tense, we use verb first form. In present simple, we use verb first form. In past simple, we use verb second form, or you could say past form. Okay? In present simple, we shall use verb first form. In past simple, we shall use verb second form. And in future simple, we will use will or shall plus verb first form. Okay? Now you know present simple will take verb first form और verb की first form को हम present form और base form भी कहते हैं. मीन्स जो first form है इसको हम present form और verb base form भी कहते हैं. Okay? So present simple will take verb first form, past simple will use verb second form or past form, and future simple that will take will or shall and plus verb first form or present form. So you know now which verbs are to be used in which tense simple form. Now let us go for another part. I am trying to make it simple to learn for you and your exams are ahead. Present continuous. Past continuous and future continuous. Now, one thing is common, everywhere there is continuous, present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Continue means continuity. जिस टेंस से हम किसी एक्शन की कंटिन्यूटी दिखाते हैं कि एक्शन हमारा लगातार चलता रहेगा, तो दैट इज नोन एज कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. और कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के लिए आपको ध्यान रखना कंटिन्यूटी तभी होगी जब हम यूज करेंगे वर्ब आईएनजी फॉर्म और वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी. सो in present continuous we will use is or am plus verb first form plus ing. ओके, हमको क्या यूज करना है कंटिन्यूअस. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में इज आर एम प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आई एम. दैट इज शी इज गोइंग, यू आर गोइंग एंड आई एम गोइंग. शी इज गोइंग, you are going, I am going. Okay, is that clear now? And past continuous we will use was or were plus verb first form plus ing. Okay, that means I was going, she was going, you were going, they were going, a girl was going, boys were going. That clear? This is a structure for present past continuous and future continuous. That is always a tedious way that has a long formula to learn, such that we will use that will or shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing. That means will be going or shall be going. ये जो be है ना, it is taking the form was verb or is rm in past tenses, and here we will use be. Now we will say I shall be going, he will be going, they will be dancing, girls will be dancing. In this way you have to use that. Okay. Now we are going to next tense that is easier than this one. And that is, yes, right, that is perfect tense. Past perfect, future perfect, these are perfect tenses. Perfect means all complete, nothing left. सब हो गया, अब कुछ नहीं बचा, आपको छोड़ दो. Then you are completed but then you are perfect and sleep. Right? Now, how to do that? Present perfect. Perfect will always say have or have plus verb थर्ड फॉर्म जिसको हम कहते हैं पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। तो आपको ध्यान रखना है, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, क्या रिमेंबर रखना है कि हैज और हैव प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। रिमेंबर वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म का एक्चुअल नेम पास्ट पार्टिसिपल है, दैट इज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। तो सारे के सारे टेंसेस जो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंसेस हैं, वी हैव टू यूज देयर past participle or verb third form. Now I have done my work, you have completed your work, she has learned her lesson, our exam have completed. In this way, in present tense, in past tense, we will use had plus verb third form or pe, that is past participle, such as she had done her work, I had completed my job, you had gone there. And now in future, that is had. No, remember we are not going to use had. Future always takes will or shall. Will or shall plus have and plus verb third form or ep, that is past participle. Now say, she will have completed her work, I shall have completed my work, you will have learned your lesson, you will have learned your lesson, we shall have learned our lesson. This day you have to learn them. For today it is enough because your video is getting longer and we can't make it so long. From Monday onward, we will start our new syllabus. We are going to start our new syllabus from Monday. So please keep your copies ready. Remember, you have to make only one copy. We will make two parts of that copy. One for grammar work and another part for literature work. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. If any problem, feel free to call me. Okay. Please don't leave message on WhatsApp because many times it is not possible to see the message. So you should directly call me. Thank you. Have a nice day.